What's this? Oh, it's a windy day at G and GB's. Oh no, everything's blowing down. Ah, there's our houses. Hi, houses. Yeah, we got to put those away. Oh, look at this. Wow. Look at this wind. Ooh. Goodness. There's a spider. We got to put that away too. Let's see what's over here. Uh-huh. Wow. Anyone in here? No? Okay. I guess it just blew open. Okay. All right. How about over here? What do we got? I got to check my plants. Oh. Okay. There's my okra and my peas right here. And my cantaloupe. And my watermelon. And my pumpkin. And my zucchini. They're getting big. Can't wait to eat my squash. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then these are sunflowers. Yep. Awesome. Here's our little avocado tree. You remember this one, right? Let's get that. This is where we saw Santa. I remember that. Yeah, we had just rang the bell and Santa came out. I wonder if he's around this time. No? I don't think so. No. Alright, well, everything's blowing over. Doggone it. Here, let's set that up. Oh, and there's a mess over here. I think the wind is blowing it all around. Okay, well, maybe we'll go out this gate, huh? Let's do that. Okay. And check out the wind out front. Wow, it is a windy day. I got dog poop here. We gotta clean that up. Dog poop? Dog poop, dog poop, dog poop. Ah. What happened here? Oh no. My bike fell over. The wind blew it over. Oh no. What the heck? Yeah, there we go. Gotta save my bike. Alright. Alright, well, we just ordered a pizza, so I am going to go pick up the pizza. But I just wanted to show you the windy day that we're having and we're enjoying because, wow, this weather is nice. It's not so hot anymore, right? Yeah, let's see what else we got here. All right, say bye. Let me turn my glasses around. Bye, guys. Bye, Paxton. Bye, Coralie. Love ya.